This smells wonderful already. Almost ready for the pot. All right, in you go. There we are. Smells wonderful. Almost ready now. This one's for you, dear.
Wow, it looks so good!
Here you go.
Thank you!
These vegetables are so fresh.
They look delicious, Grandma.
Let's get this cabbage ready. You're doing a wonderful job, dear.
Thanks, Grandma. Is this enough?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Grandma, it smells so good.
It's almost ready, dear.
Can I taste it?
Of course, here you go. These are fresh from the garden.
Can I help tear them?
Of course, dear, just like this.
Like this?
Perfect. These pancakes are almost ready.
They smell so good, Grandma.
I'm glad. You can have the first one. Here, fresh greens for you.
Thank you, Grandmother.
The snow is so pretty today.
You're the best cook, Grandma.
Oh, thank you, dear.